Welcome back to Grammar Through Slides, Common Cooking Times Part 2. So, those who haven't watched the first part yet, do watch, like, and share it. Sprinkle. Sprinkle some chocolate on the cupcake. Roast. She roasted the chicken in an oven. Soak. Sam soaked the rice overnight. Drain. She used a colander to drain the rice. Colander means a large ball-shaped strainer, and it's used for draining pasta, rice, vegetables, and all. Whip. She whipped the cream with a whisk. Beat. She beats the egg with a fork. Roll out. The cook rolled out the dough with a rolling pin. How would you say this word? It's often mispronounced as sword, but the word has a French origin, and the correct pronunciation is sauté. Saute the onion in coconut oil until the onion is transparent. Grill. We plan to grill the chicken for lunch. Flip. Flip means turn or turn over. She used a wooden spatula to flip the chapati. Sift. Sift the flour into a mixing bowl. Froth. He enjoyed the frothy and hot coffee. Boil. Boil the eggs for 10 minutes. Boil means to heat to the point where it turns to vapor. So you can see vigorous bubbles in boiling water. Simmer. Leave the soup to simmer for a few minutes. Simmer means a state below the boiling point. So the simmering water has small and gentle bubbles. Double boil. It means to cook food in a double boiler. So what is double boiler? As you can see in the picture, there will be a large pan containing hot water, into which a small pan set in order to cook warm or melt food. He double boiled the chocolate and poured it over the cake. Parboil. Partly cooked by boiling or semi-boiling the food. Parboil the vegetables in boiling water for 5 minutes. Winnow. The process of separating grain from chaff. He winnowed the rice in a winnowing tray. Bake. She baked a delicious cake. Thaw. To gradually bring something from a state of being frozen to room temperature. Keep the meat at room temperature and allow it to thaw. Season. Season the soup with salt and pepper.